How to change name of Roku device. So you can change the name of your Roku device by signing into your Roku account on Roku.com. So in here, click on the sign in button at the top right, and then go ahead and enter your email and password that you are currently using for your Roku account. So once you're signed in, you can go ahead and find your linked devices. So under my linked devices, find the Roku you want to rename, and then click on the update button next to the device. So enter the new name and location, then save. You can also do this with the Roku mobile app. So you can go ahead and open the app yourself and then select the device you want to rename under the devices tab and then tap the settings. So select rename and enter your preferred name. So why rename? If you own multiple Roku devices, renaming helps you easily identify them when casting, screen mirroring, or using AirPlay. Default theme Default names are generic, so renaming avoids confusion and changes sync automatically across your Roku account and mobile app. You can also update the location for better organization. And that is how you can basically change name of Roku device.